Hello everyone, from now on don't just make cold salads with tofu skin and enoki mushrooms after buying them. Try making them like I do. Once it's on the table, it's gone in seconds. First, prepare 2 sheets of tofu skin, then cut them up. Slice them into thin wide strips like you see in the video, just like this is perfect. After cutting, loosen them up. Put them in a bowl and set aside. Prepare a bunch of enoki mushrooms and remove the roots. Then separate them by hand. After separating, place them on a plate and set aside. Prepare 10 grams of ginger, smash it and chop it finely. After chopping, put it on a plate and set aside. Smash and mince 4 cloves of garlic. Slice 5 small chili peppers into rings. Prepare a handful of scallions and chop them into small pieces. Separate the white and green parts of the scallions. Bring water to a boil in advance, add a spoonful of salt, then add the enoki mushrooms and cook for 20 seconds. Next, add the tofu skin. Continue boiling for 1 more minute. Blanching helps remove the off flavor from the enoki mushrooms and the beany taste from the tofu skin. Once cooked, take them out. Press out the excess water. Add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped aromatics and stir-fry until fragrant. Then add a spoonful of doubanjiang and a little hot pot base. Stir-fry until the red oil comes out and the aroma is released. Add an appropriate amount of water. Pour in the enoki mushrooms and tofu skin. Stir well to combine. Start seasoning by adding a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. A little bit of sugar and some light soy sauce to enhance the flavor. A splash of dark soy sauce. Stir well, then simmer for about 2 minutes to let the ingredients absorb the flavors. After 2 minutes, add a little cornstarch slurry to thicken and reduce the sauce until it becomes glossy and thick. Finally, sprinkle with chopped scallions, and it's done. Smells absolutely amazing. Tofu skin and enoki mushrooms prepared this way are incredibly delicious, nutritious, savory and appetizing. Perfect with both rice and drinks. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.